Read me, with topic.
Civic engagement.
3, 2, 1, go.
Civic engagement. Civic engagement refers to the active participation of individuals in their communities, government, and society at large. It involves working towards the betterment of society through activities such as voting, volunteering, and advocacy. Civic engagement is essential for maintaining a healthy democracy and promoting social change. It enables individuals to voice their opinions, express their needs, and hold those in power accountable. Civic engagement also promotes social cohesion, encourages community involvement, and increases public awareness of important issues. It is an important way for individuals to make a positive impact on their communities and work towards a more just and equitable society.